So no doubt, Windows 11 is popular for its fancy visuals, good looking, and for which I really upgraded to Windows 11. But many of you might still believe that Windows 10 is more responsive as compared to Windows 11, which is true as they have less fancy visuals. So while using Windows 11 on my virtual machine from a long time, when I had the performance issues, I thought to turn off all the animation, and trust me, after turning these unwanted animation, my system gone more responsive. Now, one important thing you have to keep in mind that there will not be any kind of magic in the performance, but yes, you will notice the difference after disabling these animations. Alright, so without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Now you can try this with a very simple setting and navigation. Just make a right click on the Windows icon, choose settings. In the setting from the left hand menu option, you will have to choose accessibility. Then you have to look for visual effects. Alright, now here in the visual effect, you will find an option animation effects, and by default, this feature will be enabled. Now animation effect, if you are not sure, so whenever you try to open any kind of window or you try to minimize and maximize it, so there is an animation created to make it more attractive. Now basically, I am really not concerned about the animation and I need more performance. So what I will do, just disable this option. You have another option here, transparency effect, that says make some window background slightly transparent. And as of now, you can see this has also been enabled. Now there will be a transparency effect between the background, between my wallpaper and the window that I have opened. But I don't find it very useful. So this also I would recommend you to just toggle it off. See how simple it was to disable this animation and transparency effect. And after disabling this, I'm pretty sure you will find some kind of difference in the performance and your Windows 11 will be more responsive. Now in order to make more changes, what else you can do? You can close it. Right click on the Windows icon, click on run, and here you have to type sysdm.cpl and click on OK. This will bring up the system properties. Here from the top menu option, you will have to click on advanced. Below the performance, you will find settings. Click on it and this will bring up the performance option. And it says select the setting you want to use for the appearance and the performance of Windows on this computer. And it says let Windows choose what best for my computer. And once it will be selected to this, you will see that it enable all kind of animation here. Animation in the taskbar, enable the peak, fade or slide menus in the view. And below it says show translucent selection rectangle. So if you want to make your system more responsive, then I would recommend you choose the third option here, adjust for best performance, and all the animation will be disabled here. Now you have to enable few of them that are really important, like animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, show thumbnail instead of icons, and smooth edges of a screen font. If you have any other priorities, then you can enable or disable it, and then you have to click on apply and click on OK. Click on OK again, and that's it. Now after applying these small changes on your computer will surely help your Windows 11 to become more responsive and give you the better performance. And that's all guys for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If yes, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.